Today was the day that I put everything in perspective. I fell asleep, but when I woke up, everything changed and the skies turned off. But that was before. That was before. He came along and he turned me on with a little bit of love and a little bit of yeah. Today is the day that I threw out everything that I wanted. I was scared, but that's alright. Who needs a ride that's taking too long? That was before. That was before. Came along and he played me a song with a little bit of love and a little bit of yeah.